Hi friends, let us see the summary of the powerful lessons from this chapter. Through this chapter, the author is explaining the necessity of reprogramming our subconscious limiting beliefs about money to achieve abundance in our life. The powerful lessons from this chapter goes like this. Most of the financial struggles we experience in our life is not because of the lack of any talents or any opportunities. It is because of the deeply rooted subconscious beliefs we have about money. These beliefs are often absorbed during our childhood from our parents, from our relatives, from the teachers, from our culture, or from media, or from repeated life experiences. Because when they are repeated over many years, they can become our subconscious programs that influence our financial decision, our earnings, our potential, our spending habits, and our overall relationship with money. So, recognizing these limiting beliefs is the first step towards abundance. So, what to do first is to identify your limiting beliefs about money. Different people will have different limiting beliefs. So you have to first identify what are the limiting beliefs you have about money. That is the first step. Then our next step is to replace them with healthier or empowering beliefs about money. We can call these as wealth affirmations. So by regularly repeating the empowering money statements, such as, for example, I am a money magnet, or money constantly flows into my life, like that. Okay, so constantly repeating them, writing them, and keeping them where you can see them throughout the day, that will help you out. And listening to the wealth affirmations before sleep is the one of the most powerful technique. Why before sleep? Because according to science, before sleep, our logical mind is not active. And hence, our subconscious mind is more receptive to suggestions. So, this result in gradually rewriting our existing limiting beliefs. Then, step number 3 is that along with this practices, you also practice gratitude for the money we already have and the blessings, and blessing every financial transactions with positive emotion. Whenever you are having any financial transaction, whenever you buy something and whenever you pay for something, do that with positive emotion. Bless the money before the transaction. So these habits helps us to create new neural pathways in our brain, and this helps to transform our existing thoughts, emotions, decisions, and ultimately it changes our financial reality. So true financial abundance begins with changing our inner limiting beliefs, and this inner transformation can lead us to lasting prosperity in the outer world. So this is the summary of this powerful lessons from this chapter. And for our magical life family, for practicing the wealth affirmations before sleep, we have a separate wealth affirmation video, the link of which is included at the end of this video. So thank you guys. Stay abundant and stay blessed.